In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently navigate eBay to access and print your purchase history. Whether you're keeping track of your spending, organizing for tax time, or simply need to revisit past orders, having a printed invoice can be incredibly useful. Let's dive right in. The first step is to open your web browser and head over to eBay's homepage. You can do this by typing ebay.com into the address bar and pressing enter. Once you're there, you should see the familiar eBay interface with a search bar prominently at the top and various categories and featured items displayed across the page. Next, you'll want to locate and click on My eBay, which you'll find typically in the upper right corner of the page. This section is your personal gateway to all your account activities, including bids, active and past listings, as well as your purchase history. Clicking on My eBay will open up a drop-down menu or take you directly to a dashboard, depending on your settings or device. From the options provided, look for Purchase History. This section contains all your recent and past orders, and it's where you can find detailed information about each transaction you've made on the platform. Move your cursor to this link and give it a click. Once you're in your purchase history, you'll see a list of all items you've bought, organized by purchase date, with the most recent transactions typically appearing at the top. Now let's talk about accessing those important details. Each item will have an information button or link next to it, which you can click to see specifics like the seller, price, and condition at the time of purchase. More importantly, this is where you find the option to view your order details in full. This view is crucial because it contains the comprehensive information necessary for creating or printing your invoice. Once you have your order details up, you'll typically see a print option. This might appear as a printer icon or simply a button labeled Print. Clicking this will open your browser's print dialog, where you can select your printer, choose specific pages if needed, and adjust your settings before printing your invoice. And that's it, you're done. You should now have a physical copy of your eBay purchase invoice. Handy, right? By following these steps, you can easily organize your transactions and keep an efficient record of all your eBay shopping activities. Remember, having these records on hand can be incredibly helpful, whether for personal archives, business accounting, or any other reason you might need to reference your purchase history. Thank you for watching, and happy shopping on eBay.